Hi guys, this is the water geyser. The brand is Smith Proline commercial grade. There was no hot water last night, so we will check this. So basically there are two sections here. This is the top one, and there are the second with the panel, the second one here. So under this panel, we will check first here. I just read the manual and it says there is a red button, a small red button to reset it. If you hear a click sound when you push the button, that means it was stopped. You need to reset it. But it is advisable to, even if you reset it, there could be some underlying causes. You can ask a professional or the repair guy, so they can check it first, and then they can reset it. The first thing we would do here, or I've already done it, the first thing I did here to shut this off, the button here to disconnect the electric supply to the geyser. So this plug here, it says HWT, so which is probably, I checked all other tags here, so this one is, I think, hot water tank probably. I turned this off first. I'm turning this off again. Yeah, so, and then the second step I'm gonna do here is open this panel. Okay. Yeah, so this is this two exposed wire here, and there is this insulation thing. What I will do here, we need to take this out. Okay, we will take this just to be careful. Okay. Yeah. So do you see this red button there? This one. When I push this and it clicked, and then start working. So it's that simple. So if your geyser suddenly stop working, I think the first thing you need to do is just push this reset button, and then hopefully it will work. Even if it's not working, probably there's some other issue, then you will go from there.